Stuck in a photography rut? Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. Today, we're talking about effective strategies to break free and spark your creativity anew. Let's get those creative juices flowing. First, let's talk about what a rut really means. It's that feeling of hitting a creative wall where inspiration feels just out of reach and your photography starts to feel repetitive. The good news is that it's only temporary. And I've gotten some proven ways to help you overcome it. Step one, embrace new challenges. Pick a type of photography you've never tried before, like macro, street, or even astrophotography. I'll be photographing the solar eclipse for the first time on April 8th this year. And while I'm currently not in a rut, I am really excited to try a new type of photography. The learning curve can reignite your passion and push your skills to new heights. I've been spending so much time doing research on solar eclipse photography. It's really gotten me excited about doing this and even excited about practicing. Change your perspective. Literally. Try shooting from angles you normally wouldn't consider. Get low, climb high, or use reflections. A fresh angle can transform a mundane subject into a masterpiece. Check out my video, The Power of Perspective, exploring different angles in photography, that I have linked in the description below. Limiting your gear sounds counterintuitive, but the restrictions breed creativity. Challenge yourself to use only one lens for 1 week, or shoot with just a prime lens if you normally rely on zooms. I like to only shoot with my 70-200 lens when I'm in a rut. It really makes you think about your shots more. Also, try only using your phone to take photos. Modern phone cameras take amazing photos, and some can even shoot in RAW. You'll be amazed at how it pushes you to think differently. Dive into YouTube. There's an incredible community of photographers sharing their journeys, tips, and behind the scenes looks at their process and how they take their photos. Watching others can provide a surge of inspiration and introduce you to some new ideas and techniques. Some of my favorite YouTubers are Mark Denny, Adam Gibbs, Simone D'Entremont, just to name a few. I also like Mark McGee photos as well, and I have plenty more that I watch. The idea is to get ideas brewing in your head. Participate in photography challenges or start a personal project. Whether it's a 365-day photo challenge, a themed weekly shoots, or contributing to a collaborative project. Having a goal can provide direction and motivation. Sometimes the best thing to do is just take a break. Step away from your camera and recharge. Explore other creative outlets, or simply just give yourself permission to rest. Inspiration often strikes when you least expect it. Getting out of a photography or a creativity rut is about changing your routine, changing yourself, and finding new sources of inspiration. Remember, every photographer faces creative blocks. It's not a setback, it's just a chance to grow and explore new facets for your creativity. Take care, everyone.